Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WebinarFuel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your contact or registrants from WebinarFuel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your leads or contacts from WebinarFuel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sending traffic to your WebinarFuel, you want to be sure to download that information so you can continue to market to them later. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download webinar participants or registrants, here on the top, you're going to click on registrant. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of the registrants and leads in your WebinarFuel. And in order to download this list, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this little gray download button. Once you do that, you should see a green pop-up saying that your leads or participants are being downloaded, and it's going to download directly to your computer. They do let you know that you can only go back up to 1 year. So if you are going to be working with your WebinarFuel for quite some time, make sure that you download your registrants at least once per year. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your participants in your WebinarFuel account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.